Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to talk briefly about the Premier Energies company and its recent IPO that's going on. So they have issued shares around 6 crores. So its value is around 450 rupees. So it's valued at rupees 2830 crores. So this is about the share issues in the IPO. So I'm gonna talk background of Premier Energies, and also I'm gonna give the brief financial statements of Premier Energies. I'm gonna give you the inputs that I have about this company. So to tell brief about Premier Energies, so it's a company that is established in 1995. They work in renewable energy sectors. They make solar modules and solar cells. So they are an major industry in renewable sector and also solar energy sector. So they have significant market presence in India and also in abroad, like African countries and European countries. They have the base in Hyderabad. It supports both domestic and international markets. So it has a good leadership, which is managed by MD Chiranjeevi Singh Saluja. So it has a good annual production capacity, and also it is helping the transition of global countries and also India. So to tell about its competitors, I'm gonna name a few: Tata Power Solar System, Adani Solar, Vani Energies, and Become Solar. To differentiate, because these are big companies, if you want to differentiate the company with these chunk players, we can say that they are good at technology and innovation regarding solar and solar cells and modules. They are cost effective, and they are good at cost competitiveness, and they have good production capacity of these solar modules and cells, and they also have good global presence, and these products also have good global presence of the company and the brand. So these are the basic differentiations that happens between these companies and the Premier Energies. So to tell about its revenue and profits, you can see that they had an revenue of around 700 crores in 2022, and in 2023 they had around revenue of 1400 crores, and in 2024 they had around 3000 crores of revenue. So it shows that they are increasing yearly, and in 2 years they have increased by 400%. So that's a good showcase that they are growing and they are penetrating into the market. And yeah, they in 2022 and 23 they didn't see any profit. They were running in negative profits that around 13 crores, 14 crores. But in 2024 you guys can see that they have a significant chunk of profits. So this shows a good sign for this company, and they are also transitioning to become a good company and increase their revenues and their uh, profits. So I see it as a good sign for the company. So you guys know about profits and revenue. You know briefly about the company. They are into renewable sectors and they make solar cells and modules. So they also have good global presence. Now it comes down to what will I get the share if I take the share in the IPO or in the first day. Will I gain? Will I have short income or long term profits from this? Share is what we as an individual think, should we take this share for long term or short term. So to give brief on this, I'm going to tell you that as of today the gray market is showing that 76% increase of the share price. That says that if you buy and get the IPO of this company, your share will increase by 76%. That it shares that you 450 rupees may become 700 rupees for short gains. So I think there are good signs of short gains. I This gray market is not 100% sure. So I would say you guys to do your research and think on it and apply for it. So to talk for the long term people, I will tell about the positive and negatives that I think the company has. That I already said about the revenue of the company. It has quadrupled in 2 years, and it has a good, strong client base that like NTPC, government PSU, and also Tata Power Solar. I also said it's a competitor, direct competitor, but it also is a customer to this company, so that's good for them. So these are the big positives for them. And to coming to the negative, I would say that the chunk of the revenues coming from five of the customers. So this says that if these five businesses doesn't good, business or companies doesn't do good, there is a risk to the company that the revenue may decline. So this is one negative, and the second negative is that they have the base only in Telangana. So this makes a regional risk that if there is a turmoil or anything in the state, this may they may face a risk. So to tell about this company and sector, I see renewable sector as a good sector for the future. And as countries are transitioning to renewable energy, the renewable energy companies are good to bet on. So I see that this has a good future for the long term. As per my research, as for me, I will bet on this company for long term. So for you guys, you need to research on the company and come up on your views. And and if you have a different view, or if you have same view, please kindly comment in the sections that we can discuss on it and come to a conclusion. So guys, do your research and see that you bet on a good horse. Thank you. Bye.